What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this no cool call. Obviously, right, it's 100 and something degrees out here and it's only 8 in the morning. Check out these pressures here. It is R22. It is about 75 degrees inside, but they notice that it climbs up to 80 when it gets, hotter and hotter, for good reason, right? It's low. So my question for y'all is, in this scenario where obviously this unit's 20 plus years old, are you actually pumping R22 into this unit, or are you recommending replacement? Right, you could tell that person's already had to replace. If you look over there across to the next condos next door, you can see they've already replaced, they've already upgraded, right? Are you actually, and you look way down there, you can see some brand or newer RUD units over there. So are you recommending replacing this unit or not? I'll tell you that I would definitely recommend replacement in this scenario. I mean, we already have the modern day 410A refrigerant, and there's talks already that there's another one coming onto the market, or several others coming onto the market in the next few years. So are you actually, I want to know, what do you guys think? Would you guys actually put R22 into this unit knowing that it's just going to leak out? I think if you say, I'd be very surprised if you said, oh, repair the indoor coil or wherever the leak is. But I just want to know, what's your guys' thoughts? I told you what I'm going to do. And if they, don't think that that's the right option, I'd be surprised as well. But believe it or not, there's some folks out there that I've seen do some, start pumping R22 in this bad boy. And it is what it is. But just want to know what y'all think. If you're wondering why I would do that, why replace it? Well, for one, the unit's 20 years old and it's the Valley of the Sun. We have probably the harshest summers in the entire United States. And metro-wise, at least, you can see it's had multiple repairs. Coils are original. Inside, the coil is rusted out. Obviously nothing's under warranty, and R22 right now is the highest it's ever been, ever been. So those are pretty much the reasons I would. I think any money quoted to do the repair would be much better served towards a new system. But that's just my thought process. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.